Hello everyone, welcome to part 2 in this series on Pro Trader Talks. We are talking about how to handle performance anxiety. और लास्ट वीडियो में पार्ट 1 ऑफ दिस सीरीज में हमने देखा कि परफॉर्मेंस एंजाइटी होती किस रीजंस के लिए है. वी एक्सप्लोर्ड 7 reasons that cause performance anxiety in the first place. So if you have not watched part 1 of the series, go back and watch that first before you watch this part where we're going to be talking about how do you deal with performance anxiety. So before we get set into it, let's learn the meaning of performance anxiety with a little more detailed examples. Suppose ये एक सिनेरियो देखें जहाँ पे सपोज कोई स्टूडेंट की फाइनल एग्जाम है, वो फाइनल एग्जाम के लिए अपियर हो रहा है एंड देन दिस फाइनल एग्जाम इज समथिंग दैट्स गोइंग टू डिसाइड द कोर्स ऑफ हिज करियर. उसे आगे एडमिशन मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा. सपोज ऑन दिस फाइनल एग्जाम ही इज एक्सट्रीमली वरीड कि वो पेपर कैसे लिखेगा, लिख पाएगा कि नहीं पाएगा. आई मीन विल ही बी एबल टू रिमेंबर द आंसर्स टू हिज क्वेश्चंस. एंड टू एड इट अप वो इतना परेशान रहता है रात को कि उसको रात को नींद नहीं आती है. एंड देन दैट एड्स टू हिज वन मोर वरी कि इफ आई एम नॉट एबल टू स्लीप वेल, आई विल नॉट एबल टू राइट एनीथिंग टुमारो. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वरी ही इज नॉट एबल टू स्लीप एट ऑल and that affects his final performance. That is scenario 1. और एक scenario देखते हैं. Suppose a lady has to make a very important presentation to her clients at her office. और ये इतना important है कि वो client company को मिलेगा या नहीं मिलेगा, ये वो presentation के ऊपर dependent है. So the lady is obviously very anxious whether will she be able to do a good job or no. And what happens is during the presentation वो देखती हैं कि उसके clients they are quite यहाँ वहाँ देख के they are trying not to be immersed in that talk. So to impress them more, she tries to speed up the presentation. She tries to hike up her skills on the presentation, जिसकी वजह से presentation और बिगड़ता है and at the end she spoils the whole presentation and she ends up losing the client as well. ये दोनों scenarios जो मैंने describe किए, क्या उसमें आपको एक कॉमन फैक्टर दिखाई दिया? इफ यस, देन लिसन टू द थर्ड एग्जाम्पल. सपोज एक ट्रेडर है, ही गॉट इनटू अ ट्रेड एंड ही मेड अ वेरी गुड प्रॉफिट ऑन दैट ट्रेड. वीक वन का डे 1, 2, 3 तीनों दिन को उसको बहुत अच्छा प्रॉफिट हुआ. एंड व्हाट हैपेंड इज ऑन डे 4 ही गॉट अ लिटिल बिट ओवर कॉन्फिडेंट एंड ही ट्राइड टू टेक अ बिगर पोजिशन दैन व्हाट ही टुक. और जैसे कि होता है हर बार, जैसे ही उसने पोजीशन बढ़ाया वैसे ही मार्केट उल्टा चला गया, विच मीन्स ही स्टार्टेड लूजिंग मनी. ही गॉट स्कैर्ड, ही गॉट आउट ऑफ हिज पोजीशन एंड देन व्हाट हैपेंड वाज ही ट्राइड टू एंटर द पोजीशन अगेन. और जैसे ही उसने वापस पोजीशन लिया, अगेन द मार्केट रिवर्स्ड एंड दिस टाइम ही लॉस्ट मोर मनी देन व्हाट ही हैड वन ऑन डे 1, 2 and 3 ऑफ दैट वीक. और इसकी वजह से ही थॉट दैट नाउ आई नीड टू ट्रेड मोर सो दैट आई एम एबल टू कलेक्ट ऑल द मनी दैट आई डिड, आई विन बैक ऑल द मनी दैट आई लॉस्ट. और ये ओवर ट्रेडिंग के चक्कर में ही एंड्स द वीक ऑन अ नेगेटिव नोट. यहाँ और एक पैटर्न की आपको दिखाई दी. गाइस, ये जो पैटर्न आप देख रहे हैं इन ऑल द 3 एग्जाम्पल्स, दिस इज अ पैटर्न वेयर you are thinking more on the outcome of the performance rather than on focusing on the performance itself. और इसे ही कहते हैं performance anxiety, जहाँ आपका 2 दफ़ा ध्यान बढ़ जाता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू आर वरिंग अबाउट द रिजल्ट्स ऑफ द परफॉर्मेंस and then you end up worrying about the performance itself. When you're trying to divide your attention on the results before the performance itself, that is something that spoils your performance in the first place. और ये जो this is a common trait which is so absolutely prevalent into athletics as well as traders. And this needs to be addressed too, because बहुत सारी बार ऐसा होता है कि आपकी सिस्टम सही है, आपका पूरा जो मेथड है वो सही है, बट यू मेस अप इन स्पाइट ऑफ हैविंग द सिस्टम एंड द मेथड राइट, यू मेस अप विद योर ट्रेडिंग आउटकम बिकॉज ऑफ परफॉर्मेंस एंजाइटी. Guys, I've been training and coaching people on their trading psychology since a lot of years. और ये एक चीज़ जो कॉमन है, मैंने सारे ट्रेडर्स और इन्वेस्टर्स की लर्निंग जर्नी में ऑब्जर्व की है. इट इज़ दिस that they experience a performance anxiety to another level altogether. और फिर वो इतनी बढ़ जाते, they feel that this is some kind of psychological problem that needs some kind of therapy. But the thing is, the problem of performance anxiety can be solved. So in this video, I wanted to be talking about 6 simple steps that you can take to resolve this performance anxiety issue. Strategy number 1 is to focus on process goals and not on profit goals. जैसे कि हम हर बार कहते हैं मलकान से, प्रोसेस फोकस ऑन द प्रोसेस एंड नॉट ऑन द प्रॉफिट. When you're focusing on the profit, which means आप एक figure या amount या profit के ऊपर focus करते हो, that increases your anxiety multifold. Instead, how about saying that today I'm going to be my goal is to follow my system 90% correct, is to follow my trading stop loss, which is dash dash and dash, is to follow the right risk management for the trade I take, is to follow the right quantity of trade I take. When you focus on the process, what happens is you give yourself a boost, और आपका जो outcome होता है, when you're the outcome of the money out of the trade, वो outcome से आपका ध्यान हट के process के ऊपर आ जाए. That increases your trading performance multifold. Just try it out. Strategy number 2 is to tackle risk incrementally. You know guys, risk is like a magnifying glass on all situation. जो situation normal लगती है आपको before trading, वो situation suddenly it becomes big just because of the risk involved. For example, ये एक analogy से समझे. When you play a no ball in the first over of the cricket versus playing a no ball in the final few balls of the game, especially when your game is tied up. There's a huge psychological pressure between the two no balls. गेंद एक ही है, लेकिन the time at which it appears, the risk involved is so different that it creates a psychological pressure. It is the same with trading. The risk that you feel when you trade one lot is very different, and the way you're going to be handling it is very different than the one that happens with 10 lots. बात सेम ही है, सिस्टम और मेथड सेम ही है, बट द थिंग इज योर रिस्क हैज़ प्लेड अ बिग रोल, जिसकी वजह से आपको बहुत इम्पल्स होता है टू टेक योर प्रॉफिट्स और टू प्रोटेक्ट योर लॉसेस, एंड दैट्स अ ह्यूज गेम चेंजर. सो द बेस्ट वे टू डील विद दिस एंग्जाइटी इज टू इंक्रीज योर रिस्क, बट इन ग्रेजुअल इंक्रीमेंट्स. धीरे धीरे करके अपना रिस्क बढ़ाइए, सो दैट एट एवरी लेवल यू गेट साइकोलॉजिकली कंफर्टेबल टू हैंडल दैट काइंड ऑफ रिस्क. स्ट्रैटेजी नंबर 3 इज टू स्टेप अवे फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन. So many times I find traders self-sabotaging themselves because they are stuck to the screen, they are glued to the screen almost all the market hours, and that is a game changer guys. It completely reverses the game for you and it does not work in your favor. जैसे कि मैंने last time for part 1 of the series में बताया था कि during market hours in front of the screen जब भी आप अपने आप को positive self talk देते हो, that time it may not work. That is because कि जब भी आपका when you're sitting in front of the screen and you're trying to process market data, market information, your logical side of the brain is active. That side of the brain is not able to take the positive self-talk that you're trying to give yourself, and that could be a big thing that works against your favor. The best thing is if you find yourself getting anxious, move away from the screen, get away, get out of the house or office, do something else, and then try to speak to yourself about the reasons why you're experiencing anxiety in the first place. When you logically try to decode the whole situation, when you're away from the screen, those are the moments that will help you deal with the anxiety rather than just dealing with it right in front of the screen. Strategy number 4 is to use mental rehearsals for threatening situation. Suppose like अचानक market गिरना या loss होना एक threatening situation है. How about doing mental rehearsals for these kind of situations beforehand? मतलब suppose you can use this guided imagery, एक imaginary situation से वो threatening situation को अपने mind में mentally rehearse कीजिए, and then next rehearse how are you going to respond to that kind of situation. This is all going on in the mind. It's not happening actually, but you are rehearsing to happen in your mind. So when next time in reality when that same situation occurs, you have already mentally rehearsed how you're going to deal with that situation. And this is very very beneficial. I mean ये सारे इसमें when I have used some very effective strategy for myself, it is this, and this really helps. Try doing that, because eventually over a period of time क्या होगा, to deal with these kind of situations, the mentally rehearsed situations will become a habit for you. Mentally ही habit बन जाएगा, और जब ये mentally habit बन जाएगा, when it actually occurs in real time situation, the habit will repeat itself in real time as well. जितना ज़्यादा आप रिहर्स करोगे उतना ही ज़्यादा आपको रियल टाइम में हेल्प करेगा. सो ट्राई इट आउट गाइस, इट्स रियली इफेक्टिव. स्ट्रैटेजी नंबर 5 इज टू परफॉर्म अ मेंटल चेकलिस्ट बिफोर ट्रेडिंग. we all have this perfectionist expectations कि और वो सारे perfectionist expectation पैसे के लिए आते हैं और trading goals के लिए आते हैं. So they usually start with the word should. I should be making so much amount of money, I should be avoiding losses, I should not leave money on the table, I should take care of my losses. जितने भी should है, the moment you find yourself getting into a should thought, just step back, remove all the shoulds, because इतना excessive अपने आप से demand करते हैं, तभी इतने बड़े बड़े goals रखते हैं in terms of money. That's where perfectionism sets in, that's where too much expectation out of yourself sets in, and that is what spoils your performance by increasing your anxiety. So remove and cross check all the shoulds that you have, trading vocabulary, trading self-talk, and replace it with something positive by focusing on the process and not on the profit. Strategy number 6, and this is one of my favorite strategies, is to get a life. And when I say that, guys, I really mean it. जब ये कोई चीज़ हमारे लिए इतनी महत्वपूर्ण हो जाती है, that time if something goes wrong with that thing, it increases our anxiety to another level altogether. Sometimes to that level where we go mad, we mess up everything. और especially वो ऐसे kind of traders or investors हैं जो they trade for a living. Trading is their only profession. And if something goes wrong with their trading, if they experience a bad phase into their trading, and that is the time they experience maximum performance anxiety. So the thing that really helps here is to not place your self-esteem just on your trading outcomes, but place it on a lot of other activities in life. You have your hobbies, you have your relationships, you have your other endeavors that you're interested in. ये हर एक चीज़ में फैला के रखिए अपना सेल्फ एस्टीम, so that if something should go wrong with your trading business, suppose you experience a cold period or a losing streak, that is not affecting your whole of your life, but just one area of your life, and this is really important. So guys, how about revising all 6 strategies to deal with performance anxiety? Strategy number 1 is to focus on the process goal and not on the profit goal. Strategy number 2 is to tackle risk in increments. Strategy number 3 is to step away from the screen. Strategy number 4 is to use mental rehearsals for threatening situations. Strategy number 5 is to perform a mental checklist before trading. And strategy number 6 is to get a life for yourself. Guys, I cannot emphasize this point enough. Most traders who are caught in this vicious cycle of psychological problem or addictive trading, they have one or more of these problems where they have increased pressure to perform, they have increased performance fears, performance anxiety, they have too much demands for themselves. Self demand बहुत high level पे रखा होता है, and then that leads to a self sabotage. और ये cycle कभी-कभी इतना बड़ा चलता है that they start doubting themselves in the first place whether I will ever be successful. So let's try to nip this problem in the bud. जहाँ पे arise होता है ये problem की birth कहाँ होती है? It gets started when you have very high performance demands from yourself, which creates this performance anxiety. So if we try to work on performance anxiety at the root cause, that could solve most of our trading problems related to trading mindset and psychology. Let's try to do this, guys. It's doable, it's easy, and so many of people out there have done it, and so can you too. I wish you joy and abundance in all you do.